Welcome back to the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel. We are here with the Camaro, as you all know and love. Some of you may have seen online, it is for sale, officially for sale. It's on Racing Junk. It's on a bunch of Facebook racing groups. It's also on the www.virtualspeedperformance.
Man, it's for sale, man. I'm gonna run fucking No Fret King, man. Justin Shear invited me. It's bullshit, man. Fuck out of here, man. I'm done. Fucking, I spent so much money on that car. I even got matching original IROC emblems from the swap meet. Super Chevy show last week, man.
That's right, Ricky. It's for sale. So, it's a 1990 third gen Camaro. Very popular nowadays. It's got steel roofing quarters. You can stick a magnet in it. It does have fiberglass doors, fiberglass front end. In my opinion, the front end is pretty cool because it is more raked out than some of the other fiberglass front ends you do see on these cars. It does have more of like it has more of a rake, and you don't really see that all that often on these.
Yeah, a lot of them are more straight down there on that bottom flare.
Yeah, a lot of them are a lot more straight. So.
And we cut the back of the fenders there.
Yeah, so we also cut the back of the fenders here. We also have, you know, a nice ring. Has it the black header ring with some nice bolts there, kind of chrome. You know, the IROC Z kind of really ties it in. Plus, pretty neat yellow line, kind of brings some color into it.
Yeah, the gaps aren't terrible.
No, the gaps are pretty good. Also, I mean, as front and center, it's got built specialty front rims, Willwood front brakes. It's actually got Willwood brakes all the way around, so it's got Willwood brakes on.
The doors open and close. I know sometimes on these race cars they don't open and close.
Oh, they open and close like a dream. Like a dream.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
We worked pretty hard at getting that, didn't we, bud?
Yes, we did work hard. It took some time, but we got it. It's got a big tire on the back of it, whole shot rear rims. It has like the same star as the built specialty up there. It does have a braced forward 9-inch 4-link suspension, anti-roll bar diagonal link, and a strange double adjustable shocks, strange aluminum third section with a 486 gear, and strange axles, and Willwood brakes.
I think those tires still have a bit of life in them for what
Oh
the
yeah,
car's gonna run.
absolutely.
What do you think it'll run?
I think, obviously, we haven't been to the track with it yet, but I think it should run, I would say, low 6s on motor. And with the nitrous kit, we have a, I don't know if you guys could actually see it.
We'll take the hood scoop off and show it.
Yeah, but on the nitrous kit, the nitrous kit sprays about 600 horsepower, so it probably run mid-low 5s.
What kind of business we got out back?
So the business we got out back, the wheelie bars aren't on it. Not right this very second, but we got a fiberglass bumper, nice looking Pro Mod style wing. You got back here a fiberglass deck lid. You pop this right here. You got a straight shot into the fuel cell. You can pull your gasolina up in there. Parachute, push on, pull off. And as you guys did see up there, we do have like a little light, so it's pretty much wired up to where you know the power is on.
Nice and bright.
Nice and bright, white light. Got a brand new Stroud bag on the back of here.
It's an older chute, but it's not tore or anything or ripped.
It'll get the job done. It'll get the job done.
In 4-wheel disc brakes, I don't know that we'd have to pull the chute nut too
No, not for, maybe once in a while to, in case you get out of shape or whatever, you could correct it with it. Charging lugs, of course. It does have a, I don't know if we're coming, okay. It's got charging lugs. You charge your excess power 16-volt battery. It does have a 16-volt charging system in it and battery. Instead of a 12-volt.
How's
Oh, just like the
Like I
passenger.
said, a lot of times these doors don't open, so
Just like the passenger door. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
one more time.
One more time for the YouTubes.
For the clip. Nice. The
Woo!
lines look fairly decent. I'm a little prejudiced because I'm the one who did it.
You got,
Tell us about the back glass here, because this isn't just normally. It's not normally like that up there. A lot of these cars will have.
so the way this back glass and this back piece is made, there's a piece where it's made where the glass slips into it. So there's a piece right here that is attached to the roof right here, and I would say there's three right here, and then 2 on each side, and it just
Female receivers.
yes, 3 different receivers, and it just slips in there. That way, it's a nice,
Yeah, the wind's not catching it.
yes, the wind's not catching it, and it doesn't look kind of weird or funky.
I think it gives it a nice look. It gives it a nice smooth look.
Oh yeah, I mean it's like I said, for the most part it's it's very clean looking. Got some nice IROC Z stickers down there.
This is new Lexan on the doors.
Yes, so this is brand new Lexan on the doors as well as the front windshield, brand new Lexan. It nice fresh painted black up here, and it looks looks pretty slick, I think. All right, everybody, now that we're inside the interior,
What, man? You got you got fucking gauges in there? Wait, there ain't no gauges in that. That's just like a little TV, man. You can watch Family Feud, man.
that's right, Ricky. There is no gauges. It's like a little TV. You're exactly right. You could even it's like a touch screen. It's like an iPhone. Look at that, like an iPhone. You could take pictures with it and check your Gmail, and you could I mean you could probably even check in with your probation officer. All right, so we got a 2-speed shifter in there. It's set up for air. It looks like all the fancy dancy shifters that you see in cars like the Mustang back there. It's set up for air, so it's got a matching air bottle set up, and new MAC valve. And
Bottle here. This is the nitrous bottle.
that's the nitrous bottle. That's what gives it the N2O, or the NOS, as they say. Fiberglass dash. Got the nice. The dash really gives it a very clean look, especially with the black interior, and the tranny tunnel. The carpet really, honestly, the interior is probably one of my favorite parts about the car because it looks so clean.
Yeah, the tranny tunnel comes out right there.
Yeah, so the tranny tunnel does come out right here, and these side spots right here, the side spots where you can probably show it, also come out. That makes swapping converters super easy.
There's a pin right there in the shifter, and that whole apparatus will pull up.
Yep.
Parachute lever right there.
Yep. So this is the parachute cable, parachute lever. We also have another power right here. So if you're sitting in the staging lanes and your power's not on, you can pull this and it turns the power on, and you ain't got to get out of the car. You got an ARC switch panel. Got all kinds of switches up here: starter, ignition, fan, fuel pump. Also got a K&R Pro Cube delay box. This is my dad in the car. He's in there basically to give you a idea of what size guy can fit in the car. He is 5'11", and as you guys can see, his fitment.
Yeah, with the helmet, that would be all right.
He's got a little bit of headroom for his helmet.
I'm slouching just a tad.
He is slouching just a tad. For the most part, he can reach the pedals. I mean, you don't need to be a tall fella to reach the pedals in this car. You also have your Holley Terminator ECU right here. So you also have the Holley Terminator X ECU that is running the engine out front, and it's also going to run the nitrous dry system as well. You got your CAN bus here. This is a cable for your laptop, so you don't need to go out and buy another cables to connect the
little handheld deal, right?
Yes, but I'm not running the handheld deal. It will go with the car, but I just have it set up for the laptop. But I don't have the handheld deal, plugged in right now. So but the handheld little screen thing will go with the car. The helmet hook,
Need a helmet.
that is a special
Steering wheel hook, whichever one.
steering wheel hook, helmet hook, made by Danny Nuts Innovative. It's my grandpa made it. So we got the hood scoop off, and first and foremost, on top of the motor, we got a AccuFab billet throttle body. This is good to about 1200 CFM. Then below it, you got the nitrous outlet Stinger 2 nitrous system, which is good to spray about 600 horsepower.
That's a brand new system.
That's
right?
a brand new nitrous outlet. The brand new nitrous outlet system, never used or ran. Holley split intake. It's got LS 799 heads. It does have rocker arm trunnion kit and BTR springs, as well as a BTR cam in it. It is a stock bottom end, which I would say for this application, I feel like that is more than, good enough. It does have 42-pound injectors. We have all black braided line, as you guys can see. A brand new MagnaFuel regulator with the matching MagnaFuel EFI 750 fuel pump in the back. Low dollar fuel pressure sensor. We also, to keep this engine cool, we have quite a big radiator set up, but not so big where where it has to lean over in the car and it looks ugly. We have a Ron Davis radiator setup. Very nice setup. Got the fan shroud and the remote water pump, the Mazir remote water pump to be able to shove water in there and cool it. Got the black braided line.
What kind of front suspension we got going on?
It's an A-arm front suspension. You got adjustable front shocks. Brand new upper A-arms. Then you got your coil packs. They're D585 coils, if I remember correctly. I don't know if I pointed out the Motion Raceworks valve covers, side exit headers. Side exit headers on the LS and this type of deal, in my opinion, is pretty cool. You got some more braided line going to that Motion Raceworks catch can over there. So it's got a power glide with a 3500 stall converter behind it. There is a hood. I know in a few pictures that there is no hood and videos, but there is a hood. It's stuck at the body shop.
What?
It's stuck at the body shop. You know how these body shops are. I mean, so it is for sale. We are asking $37,500 or best offer. You guys have seen the videos. You guys seen what we put into it. Like I said, $37,500 or best offer, or trade for a 6.0 roller. Open to trades for a 6.0 roller.
What? You already have a 6.0 roller. You don't have a 6.0 car. What are you talking about?
Because I like twins, man.
And twins. I love the back room of a club, feeling all the love when we get rolling. And I love that tattoo on her back, the trophy and the rack. A night that...
As the mayor of 470, I approve this message.